up. Get wheeled down here so I can sit in the corner. And give y'all some action for the night. So this is not Chester. Give you a heads up right now. This is not Chester. I know it's a Chester City incident blog. It's not Chester. We're in Eddystone right now on the scene of a commercial building fire. 1500 block of East 2nd Street, Eddystone. Paula, I'm gonna ask TJ when he walks back past me. He just walked back, but I think they're okay for right now, but I'll get a confirmation and I'll let you know.
One guy said they're probably gonna be here all night.
Somebody wants to know if you guys are okay on water, if you wanted them to bring more down for you. Oh no, not for one of my followers on my page wanted to know if they could bring any cases down.
We got 14 cases now, and there's a shitload of guys here. They're gonna be here for a couple of hours. Anyways, what do you think? I would maybe 5 cases just to be safe, because there's like 32 in a pack, right?
Is it 32 or is it 24?
Well, it all depends. Yeah.
Yeah, he said, Paula, he said you could bring them down if you want to.
But they can't bring them down. They have to drop them off down there.
Well, yeah. Down at the...
Don't worry about it, because Wild won't give us more. We got 10 cases from Walmart, but we'll just go to Wild for the rest.
Gotcha.
We got a manager over there, too.
Yeah. All right, he said don't worry about it.
Appreciate it, though.
He said don't worry about it. It's impossible to get down here anyway, so...
Yeah, it's a fucking 300 foot car.
Clusterfuck.
At least 300 yards. Thank you, though.
No problem. But yeah, so as you can see, we're at the, I don't even know what minute mark we're at this point. It has been, this sucker has been blazing all night. So what I was saying, this is the 1500 block of East 2nd Street. It's back in the cut, off of 2nd and Seville in Eddystone. This is the Foamex Innovations buildings. Has gone to 2 alarms. The reason why I had, I went live on it, not that it makes a difference right now anyway, specifically because Chester was dispatched out, but they were recalled because they didn't want to commit the engine to this scene, not the engine, the ladder to the scene. They wanted to make sure that they had the ladder that was able to be committed to the city, just in case anything were to go on there while this was going on. But as you can see, this sucker is still, burning pretty damn good. I really can't get any further over than where I'm at, other than to I can't get, this is as close as basically anybody is getting. Everybody else is pretty much backed up to 2nd and Seville, and I was gracious enough to be let through to get up to the gate here, right onto the site. So this is where everybody is at right now. Right now, this is pretty much a surround and drown type effort. Basically, it says, when I say surround and drown, for those who don't know fire department lingo, everything is it's an exterior attack. There is no longer anybody on the inside of any of these buildings. Everybody was evacuated from the roof and from the inside of any buildings due to I don't know if there actually was a structural collapse, but at least to the threat of a structural collapse, everybody was evacuated from the inside and the top. Anything having to do with coming into contact with the structure itself. This is a commercial building. Like I said, it's been burning for quite a while now. for those of you guys who were asking about bottled water and stuff like that, you know, I do have a contact, so if anybody, you know, wanted to help, they have given us the update that they are okay for now with cases of water, that they're, you know, working with Wawa and Walmart and stuff like that, so that they're good with that. However, I mean, this is going to seriously deplete the stash, so remember, regardless of whether it's Chester, Eddystone, Brookhaven, Upland, Parkside, anything that's close around the area, remember, guys, you are always, for the most part, you know, more than welcome to make donations, drop off cases of water. Woodland, up on Fairview, yeah. Up on, what was I gonna say, on Fairview at McDade. They run a canteen. As far as I know, they are here, and they're running the canteen. They come with the snacks, the bottles of water, you know, everything else to supply the departments and our first responders with food and drink and stuff to, you know, keep them, you know, even coffee, stuff to keep them warm, stuff to, you know, keep them going. A scene like this is where our first responders are out for hours and hours and hours and hours at a time. Daryl, I'm sorry, I didn't see how long ago your comment popped up. This is not Chester. This is Eddystone. This is the 1500 block of East 2nd Street in Eddystone for Foamex Innovations. It's a commercial building fire. I believe, see, I can't even get to it right now to be able to know, or I'd have to cut my phone off. I think we're coming, you know, we're somewhere around the 2-hour mark here right now. I'm not 100% sure. I'm like, my mind is kind of in a bazillion different places here. This clearly, I mean, obviously a second alarm. Chester had been dispatched originally, but was recalled because they didn't want to have to worry about committing the ladder to this scene. They would rather keep it in the city just in case something were to happen in the city. But yeah, we're at Foamex. We're in Eddystone. You know, guys, Eddystone, man, Eddystone gets the worst of some of this stuff. But you know, not only do they run our second alarm, are part of our second alarm team in the city of Chester, but they also have this whole industrial complex back here where you guys hear about, like, the chocolate factory and stuff like that. Anything basically here along 291, any of these industrial complexes, anything that goes up back here, you know, this is Eddystone's jurisdiction. This is Eddystone's responsibility. You know, and Eddystone has been hit very, very hard this year so far, between the two alarm fires, residential fires that we had earlier in the year, and then the two chocolate factory fires that they had within basically the same amount of time. I mean, all of that really happened within just a couple of days of each other, a week of each other, 2 weeks of each other. And like I said, also they're part of our second alarm response crew. So, you know, if you're ever thinking you want to make donations to any fire departments or anything like that, like I said, keep it local. If you don't want to do Chester, you got Parkside, you got, how you doing? You got Chester, you got Parkside, you've got Brookhaven, you've got Eddystone. Like I said, Woodland runs the canteen. They're always up for donations, and these guys are putting everything on the line right now, you know, with this whole coronavirus thing. You know, we're asking a lot of these guys. So, you know, if you ever want to donate, you know, please donate by all means. I'm trying to I can't even get like a better, I hate this with these phones, with any of this, because it's hard, because I can't get around a truck. Oh, Paula, well, if there wasn't an evac before, there is now. They just sounded more evac tones. So I don't know if maybe they had gone in for an interior, back into an back into an interior attack. But whatever they were doing, once again, the evac tones have been sounded just now. So we are going back to exterior all the way around. And as you guys can see, I mean, there are I can't even begin to tell you how many companies are here on the scene right now. To be completely honest, it's a lot. There's a lot going on right now. I mean, if this were anywhere else, this would be just all types of everywhere. Like I said, this specific commercial building is back in the cut, so everything is pretty contained for the most part. But yeah, so I just wanted to give you, not to say that I wanted to give you guys some action for the night, but I really haven't been out like that. I am only allowed very, very, gave the water to Ed. Okay, cool. Appreciate it. Roof evac. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, because I wasn't listening, so I couldn't really hear what was going on. Oh, man. So that was what we heard. That was the roof evac that they just put out. So we heard the tones, but I didn't have the radio on, so I couldn't hear what it was for. But yeah. So guys, I'm gonna actually cut out for now. I'm really not supposed to be on my feet at all. I mean, except to kind of walk maybe from here to there and stand for a minute or two at a time. So my foot is throbbing. Guess I'm gonna get you with your head all up in my live and shit. But yeah, all right, guys. I'm gonna cut out tonight. Hopefully, I won't have to see you guys anymore this weekend. But how the city works. Chances are I will. And I will be sitting down and chilling and filming like I always do. So y'all have a good night. Be safe, and I'll check y'all, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all.